Okay, for the next video, I'm going to show you how to use right from your what I call paper law 4 and law 5. Alright, so now let me just get started. I give you the first example. The first example is this. I'm going to say again, simplify following, and what we have is p square q to the power of 5 bracket 4 multiply to p cube q to the power of 6. Right, so first thing that we do down here is this. We will open up the bracket, so we get p to the power of 2 times 4 q to the power of 5 times 4. Multiply to p to the power of 3 times 6 q to the power of 1 times 6. When there's nothing there, we just take it that is 1. So we simplify, we get p to the power of 8 q to the power of 20 times p to the power of 18 q to the power of 6. Then just like what we did before, we rearrange in alphabetical order. P to the power of 8 can be put together with p to the power of 18. Q to the power of 20 can be put together with q to the power of 6. So what we get is p to the power of 8 plus 18 times q to the power of 20 plus 6. So in the end we get p to the power of 26 q to the power of 26, and we are done with the first example for this video. The next one that I'm going to do is this. It's going to look slightly more complicated, but don't worry. What we have is, again, simplify the following. I give you the question. 3a to the power of 5 b to the power of 3 bracket 4 divided by negative 9 a cubed b to the power of 6 square. Right, simply what we do again, once again we open the brackets. So open the bracket, the power 4 applies to everyone. So I get is 3 to the power of 4 a to the power of 5 times 4 divided by b to the power of 3 times 4 divided by negative 9. So be careful, put a bracket because there's a negative sign there. Negative 9 square a to the power of 3 times 2 divided by b to the power of 6 times 2. So what we get here is, we simplify everything first. 3 times 3, 9 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 gives me 81. A to the power of 20, b to the power of 12. Divide. Notice I haven't touched the divide sign yet, just leave it alone for now. 81 a to the power of 6 b to the power of 12. Now, as we have learned in algebraic fractions and also in primary school, what we do here is to change the divide sign into a multiply by taking the reciprocal of the second term. So I get here is changes to times b to the power of 12 divided by 81 to the power of 81a to the power of 6. Now next thing, I just multiply numerator to numerator. So I arrange number first, then in alphabetical order. Then I put here number first, which is 81, then in alphabetical order, a to the power of 6, b to the power of 12. A to the power of 81 and 81 will eliminate each other, so that's simple enough. What we have is left with a to the power of 20 minus 6. This is a to the power of 20 divided by a to the power of 6, and b to the power of 12, b to the power of 12, you cancel or you eliminate both of them, you have nothing left. It's 1 actually. So all I have with is a to the power of 20 minus 6 is a to the power of 14. And I'm done with the first set of videos for chapter 1.1.